everyone, this is Sadia from Product Feed Manager, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can accurately generate a product feed for Vivino in just a few clicks. To do this, you need the plugin Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. As you can see, I'm already on the dashboard and I have installed and activated the plugin. So once you have done that, you'll see this product feed icon on your dashboard. If you hover right here, you'll get these options. Now to generate the feed for Vivino, click on Add New Feed. This will take you to this feed creation page. Firstly, set a feed title. Now from this drop down, select Vivino as your merchant. So once you've selected it, a list of attributes will appear below. Now these are all the required attributes that you need to submit while listing your products for Vivino. As you can see, almost everything is already configured. You just need to assign the right values to the unmapped attributes. Let's look at the unmapped attributes. Firstly, you see here the quantity is minimum. I'm gonna break this down for you, but first let me explain the other attributes. Here you see the bottle size. Here you need to submit the volumes of the bottle. But in my shop, all wines are of 800 ml, so I'm just gonna select that here. But if you have multiple bottle sizes, then you should save this value in a custom field and use this value over here. Moving on to the bottles quantity. This is the number of bottles being sold at the price you are offering. Let's say I'm offering 5 bottles for this price. So I'm just gonna select this as static and write 5 here. Okay, now the thing is, this bottle quantity depends on the price you're offering because Vivino expects you to submit products at discounted price. So if you have a sale price or discount price, rather than using this regular price, go for this price option. What this will do is, when you don't have a discounted price, this feed will include the product's regular price. But if you have a selling price, then this price will include the selling price for the product. Now let's go back to the quantity is minimum attribute, which is used to control the discount. Let's say you have a wine shop and sell each wine bottle for $30. Now, if someone buys 6 bottles of wine, you want to offer a discount of $150. In this case, you'll mark the quantity is minimum as true and set the quantity 6. But if you want to give a discount if someone buys more than 5 bottles, then you'll mark the quantity is minimum as false, and here you'll set the quantity 5. So for the true case, discount is applicable for minimum number of bottles, and for the false case, discount is applicable for a set threshold. So in this feed, I'm just gonna select it as false. Okay. At the bottom, you see I have added an extra attribute wine name, which is basically the product name. Okay. You can also add new attribute or any custom attribute to make your feed more engaging. So once you have mapped all the values to the attribute, your feed is almost ready. The settings are pre-configured, but you can always change them if you need to. If I go to the product filter option, I see these options here. You can use these 2 options to choose which products you want to include in your feed. Or if you want to exclude any products, you can use these filter options. Right now, let's leave them as it is. I'll explain their use in a later video. Now that I'm done configuring the feed, it's time to publish the feed. So for this, click on the Publish button and a loading bar will appear. So once the loading is done, your feed is ready. Now you can download the feed, copy the feed link and view the feed from here. Let's have a look. See, this feed has been generated according to the required format of Vivino. So that's how you can easily generate a Vivino feed using Product Feed Manager for WooCommerce. Now, the next step is to upload the feed on Vivino Merchant Center and start selling wines on Vivino Marketplace. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.